Healthy habit number 5 of 16 is to consume a high quality protein source with each meal. Protein is vital for our human survival and also for optimal health and performance. So let's start off by listing the top 10 vital physiological functions that require protein. Fourth, let's explain why protein is vital for immune function. Proteins play a fundamental role in immune function, serving as the building blocks of many components that protect the body from infections and diseases. The immune system is a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to defend against harmful pathogens such as bacteria, viruses, and parasites. A critical part of this system includes various types of proteins, including antibodies, cytokines, and complement proteins, all of which are vital for recognizing and neutralizing these threats. Antibodies, or immunoglobulins, are specialized proteins produced by B cells, which is a type of white blood cell. These antibodies are essential for identifying and neutralizing foreign invaders like viruses and bacteria. Each antibody is designed to recognize a specific antigen, which is a molecule present on the surface of a pathogen. Once an antibody binds to an antigen, it marks the pathogen for destruction by other components of the immune system. Without adequate protein intake, the body may not produce enough antibodies, leaving it more susceptible to infections and diseases. Cytokines are another class of proteins crucial for immune function. These small proteins act as messengers between cells, coordinating the immune response. Cytokines can stimulate the movement of immune cells to the site of infection or injury, helping to fight off the invaders. They also play a role in regulating inflammation, which is a necessary part of the healing process. However, an overproduction of certain cytokines can lead to chronic inflammation, which is linked to numerous health conditions such as autoimmune disorders, cardiovascular disease, and cancer. In addition to antibodies and cytokines, the complement system is a group of proteins that work in tandem to support the immune system. The complement proteins circulate in the blood and, when activated, help to destroy pathogens by forming a complex that punctures the cell membranes of the invader. This process is essential for clearing out pathogens that antibodies alone cannot neutralize. Furthermore, proteins contribute to the structure and function of immune cells themselves. White blood cells, including lymphocytes, macrophages, and neutrophils, are heavily reliant on proteins to carry out their protective functions. These cells identify and destroy foreign invaders and damaged cells, and they rely on a steady supply of amino acids to regenerate and proliferate during an immune response. A diet lacking in sufficient protein can severely impair the immune system, leading to immunodeficiency. For example, protein energy malnutrition, or PEM, is known to reduce the number of white blood cells and antibodies, making the body more vulnerable to infections. This is particularly concerning for individuals with compromised immune systems, such as the elderly, those with chronic illnesses, or people recovering from surgery or trauma. In these cases, ensuring adequate protein intake is critical for supporting immune function and improving recovery outcomes. Protein is also important for the production of antioxidant enzymes such as glutathione peroxidase, which helps to protect cells from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells, leading to inflammation and weakening of the immune system. By maintaining optimal protein intake, the body can produce enough of these protective enzymes, helping to bolster immune defenses and reduce the risk of disease. Protein is essential for immune function, from the production of antibodies and cytokines to the formation of immune cells and complement proteins. Adequate protein intake helps maintain a robust immune system, ensuring that the body can effectively fight off infections and recover from illness or injury. Fifth, let's explain why protein is vital for your body's natural detoxification system. That was just a tiny taste of what can be found in my members only section. If you enjoyed it, become a member for only $5 a month to get access to hundreds of member only videos.